Hello and welcome to Yoga Take It. My name is Lizette Pompa and today we take a look at Warrior 2. Okay, so we're going to start in Downward Facing Dog. From Downward Facing Dog, I'm going to inhale to stretch my right leg back and up towards the ceiling. Exhale, stepping the right foot forward. Inhale to open the arms out to the sides, coming into Warrior 2. So we're going to start from the ground up. So think about your heels. You want your two heels in line. So right heel in line with your back heel, in line with the left one. Once you get the heels in line and you're standing into this posture, what usually happens is that we try to open the hips towards the side of the mat. And what happens is that when you open the hips to the side, that right knee is going to collapse towards the left. So if you're standing here, look at your right knee, make sure the right knee stays out to the right, on top, in line with the right toes. Once that happens and you send your right knee in line, that left shoulder comes kind of forward. So you want to open the chest again, sending the left shoulder back, keeping your two shoulders facing towards the side. So think it's like a spine twist from the waist up. Keeping the right knee where it has to be and the arms opening out to the sides. Stay there and breathe. Let that left hip go wherever it has to go. So don't worry and don't focus on opening the hips out towards the side. You want to keep that right knee on top of the right toe so that left hip can move forward for you to access that movement with the front knee. So don't worry about this hip, okay? Get the right knee where it is. From there, if you feel, you can open that left hip out to the left a little bit more. Fine, but you're not putting pressure on the right knee moving in towards the left. Keep the arms opening out to the sides, and again, think about the chest. Open your both shoulders to face towards the side of the mat. Stay strong through the legs, and breathe here. Okay, thanks for watching. Namaste.